My name is Korstanje and I'm an assistant professor at the Jackson Laboratory where I work on age-related kidney disease. The Jackson Lab is in Bar Harbor, Maine. In addition to the campus here, we also recently opened a campus in Farmington, Connecticut, and we also have a campus in Sacramento, California. There's about 50 staff scientists here working on different diseases and biological questions. The primary focus of my lab is age-related kidney disease, but we're also testing genes that are affecting lifespan. And we do this in collaboration with the JAX consortium that tests human cohorts and finds candidate genes that we then knock out in worm models to see if they have an effect on lifespan. And if that's the case, we then make a mouse model to see what the effect is in mice. Our idea is that genes that are associated with lifespan and heart rate variation also have an impact on the kidney. So we've now made mouse models for these different genes to study them in more detail and trying to find out what the mechanism is that they're involved in. For some of these, we've now advanced at a stage where we have mouse models where we can actually start to try to intervene in the process. I don't think we ever be able to actually cure age-related kidney disease. But what we see is that as people get older, their kidney function is slowly declining until they reach a stage where the kidney no longer functions well enough and they need to go on dialysis. There's over 26 million people in the US with kidney disease, and over 500,000 people are on dialysis. And so if we could just postpone that so that it will take, like say, 10 years longer before someone actually needs to go on dialysis, that would make a huge impact. Kidney aging is a lot about dealing with stress, and so as a side project we study kidneys from species that have to deal with stress. So we have kidneys from black bears that shut down their kidneys during hibernation, and we have kidneys from whales and seals that have to deal with a high salt environment, the pressures of diving, and they're even able to shut down their the circulation of the kidney during diving. I don't think we, or at least I, know the process of aging well enough to be able to affect it in a safe way that has a big impact on a lot of people. The real big motivation is solving the puzzle. Success for us would be when our work is being applied in the clinic and will benefit people to live a longer and healthier life. My passion is running. I ran 7 marathons in the last 3 years, and for this year, in addition to running a couple of more marathons, I'm going to try to run my first ultra marathon, and hopefully that is also a good impact on my lifespan. Ph.D. Singh ran marathons until he was 101, and my aim is to beat that.